Hello students, hope you are doing well. Bihar B.Ed Set exam is a state level exam conducted every year in Bihar. Through the exam, the students who qualify will be provided with admission to 2 years B.Ed program at various participating colleges. Based on certain criteria such as qualifying score, cutoff, etc., we can analyze what score or rank can be considered good in Bihar B.Ed Set exam. Knowing about good scores and rank in Bihar B.Ed Set will help the students understand what level of colleges can they get with their score. Based on our analysis, we have prepared a thorough demonstration of what can be a very good, average and low score plus rank for the Bihar B.Ed Set exam, which we will be discussing in today's video. So let's go. First, let us know about Bihar B.Ed Set ranking system. Before moving on to good score and rank analysis, it is important to first understand how the students are ranked for the Bihar B.Ed Set exam. For Bihar B.Ed Set exam, the rank is provided to the candidates on the basis of score obtained in the entrance test. If 2 or more candidates acquire the same rank, the final decision will be made on the basis of highest score in the qualifying exam and further older age criteria. Now let us look at Bihar B.Ed Set qualifying marks. Bihar B.Ed Set qualifying marks is different for different category of candidates, and each candidate must score the minimum qualifying marks in order to get qualified for ranking of the exam. For general category, the minimum qualifying percentage is 35%. For ST, ST, BC, EBC and WBC, the minimum qualifying percentage is 30%. And for the Divyang category also, the minimum qualifying percentage is 30%. Now that we are done with marking system and ranking system, let us know what is a good score in Bihar B.Ed Set exam. Since we know that Bihar B.Ed Set exam is conducted for a total of 120 marks, hence we can say that very good score. Since we know that Bihar B.Ed Set is conducted for a total of 120 marks, hence we can say that a very good score in exam can be any score above 110. A good score can be above 70. An average score can be above 40 marks, and any marks below 40 can be considered as a low score for Bihar B.Ed Set exam. Now that we are done with good score, on the basis of that, let us know what is a good rank in Bihar B.Ed Set. First, we will know what is a good rank for government colleges for Bihar B.Ed Set. Hence, for government colleges, we can say that if you have acquired a rank between 1 to 800, then it can be considered as a very good rank. If you have acquired a rank of 801 to 1500, then it can be considered as a good rank. Note that there are no average or low rank for government colleges, because only top performing candidates can get admission to government colleges through Bihar B.Ed Set exam. Now let us look at what is a good rank in Bihar B.Ed Set exam for admission to private colleges. So we can say that if you have acquired a rank of 1000 to 5000, then it can be said, based on our analysis, we can say that if you have acquired a rank of 1 to 5000, it can be considered as a very good rank. If you have acquired a rank between 5001 to 25000, it can be considered as a good rank. An average rank can be considered as a rank between 25,001 to 50,000, and any rank above 50,000 can be considered as a low score. That's all for today. Thank you. We hope that the above analysis helped you in getting an idea of what is a good score and rank in Bihar B.Ed Set. If you still have any queries, you can ask me the same through the provided link. You can also check the video description for more articles related to Bihar B.Ed Set exam. For more updates on Bihar B.Ed Set and other exams, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.